Okay, my dears, so this is me and maybe one of the grossest times you'll see me. We just got back from Taekwondo and we were doing sparring, so I haven't even finished taking all my gear off. But my kids took their gear off in the back and they used up all of our linen refresh spray, which, oh, hey baby, we're doing laundry.
Hi.
That was Felicity doing laundry. So I want to keep this gear nice and fresh and not stinky. So I use the linen refresh spray for things like this. I use them on couches. I use them on carpets. I use it on like the way you would use like a Febreze, anything. So air, if something's kind of stinky in the air, I'll just sort of spray the air. Or like I said, especially couches and carpets or closets. If closets get kind of gross and stinky, just go spray the closet or spray the clothes in there. So I want to show you real easy peasy how to make this. So I think this is an 8-ounce bottle and it's really easy. I poured it into here just to show you, but half water, half cheap vodka, and yes, the cheap stuff, don't use the good stuff. Let's see. Yeah, this is an 8-ounce bottle. So that's about 4 ounces of water then, and about 4 ounces of your vodka. You could also use witch hazel if you can find a good source of witch hazel. And then the best part is you get to pick your oils. So here is how I use, this is the Essential Life book, is that if you flip to the very back of this book, there are all these charts, and I'll try and show you. This is an oil properties chart. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if you can see that. But basically it's this huge grid showing all the oils and at the top all the different properties. So, analgesic, aphrodisiac, anti-allergenic, yada, 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 antispasmodic, antitoxic, anti-tumor, antiviral, etc. on and on. So I want to look for ones that are like high antibacterial properties or, antifungal properties. So I go look and almost all the oils are antibacterial and I can kind of find which ones I like and make my own blend. So I go, oh, is this one? And then the nice thing is that if you don't have every oil, you go for the ones you have. And so that's how I use, this is one of the handiest charts. Or for instance, if we're looking for pain relief, I'll look for the analgesic ones and what oils are analgesic. Or if we're like dealing with some kind of mold or virus or whatever. So I picked out today, I picked lemon, Siberian fir, and I'm going to add a dash of spearmint just for some zest. So I'm going to do about 4 or 5 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 4 drops of fir. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really like doing lavender and spearmint for this. I like doing lemon and rosemary. Adding some melaleuca is always good. And I'm just going to do 2 drops of spearmint. And I've created my own blend. It was stinking cheap. Let me give this a smell. Nice. Pouring in. Pouring. There we go. And the reason that you would use, that we use vodka or that you would use a witch hazel is that it evaporates more quickly. So it doesn't like leave your fabrics wet for as long like you. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Look at that. And give it a good shake. Spray my gear. Come on. There we go. Spray. So I am going to finish this. And I hope you all have a good day and stay clean smelling.